The first cut in the Knights Tonsure Drive 2020.
Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry it's been like, what, 3 months since my last video upload? But I've had a lot to do with moving back to college, getting an apartment, dealing with online courses, and just all of that jazz. But today, I finally have a little bit of time on my hands, so we're gonna do something fun. I get to get my head shaved for charity and science. Let's get started. So nothing raises more money than people just looking absolutely stupid. So what my church is doing is this thing called a tonsure drive. So I guess what we should start out with is, what is a tonsure? So a tonsure is where you get your hair cut on the top and then you leave a ring around your head, kind of like a Saturn cut, right? So you kind of look like Saturn. And the idea is that the more money we raise, the more guys that would be tonsured, right? So I'm somewhere about halfway. So we're about halfway to our goal. But if we can just get the rest of the guys tonsured, then we can all look stupid together. When were tonsures popular? The 8th century. Okay, it looked like an 8th century priest. Now if you want to go ahead and donate, all the links are in the description below. You can see what charities we're supporting, you can see what guys have been tonsured already. You can probably see a video of me getting tonsured as well, which is always good fun. Since this is the most bald I'll be probably till I'm like 80 or 90, we're gonna take full advantage of it. We're gonna make a tattoo setup that lights up, changes, all that jazz, that makes me look like Avatar Aang from the show Avatar: The Last Airbender. Now for those of you who don't know, Avatar is this animated TV series that Nickelodeon put out like a decade ago, probably. It still has a pretty nice following, which is amazing, but I'm excited to bring their ideas and their creativity into the real world through electronics, through something that I can do, because Lord knows I could not animate the way they do. I know most of you came here because you wanted to see a silly haircut, and that's fine. I would click on the same video too. But we are going to be doing some electronics in this video as well. So definitely stay tuned for just all the nonsense that's going to be going on in this video. So let me show you how to use Google Home to connect to IFTTT to MQTT to this Node MCU ESP8266 board to control these NeoPixel light strips. Let's get started. So these NeoPixel strips are actually really cool. You can control each light individually, right? So if I wanted to set this one to red, this one to blue, and this one to green, or maybe this to purple, or this to like magenta, or whatever colors are out there, you could totally do that. So that fact is actually going to be really helpful later. So this NeoPixel strip, I'm going to go ahead and set it on my arm. It's going to glow blue to start out with, just like the show. But when I engage the avatar state, I want it to turn white. But I don't want it to go immediately like it does in the show. I want it to gradually fade in. So you'll see that, because we're going to animate it, because I think it'll look a lot better than just a direct swap. So let's get to the code. Now if you were to go to build something like this, you certainly wouldn't have to know that the Google Home, right? So you have this Google Home, which we're going to make it look a little pretty, communicates with this server called the IFTTT server, which is if this then that, which then communicates with the MQTT server, which I have no clue what that acronym stands for, which then coordinates all commands down to the Node MCU. Now I was going to show you the code, but I realized that's just nerdy. So I'm going to just show you one quick thing. I've written some custom code to run the arrow on the top of the head. So what it'll do is it'll go to this strand first, turn this guy on, and then it'll turn on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one in a sequence, so it'll look nice and animated. So here it is. Here's the finished 3D print. It's supposed to look like Avatar Aang's necklace from the show, but with one key exception. This will be the board we're using to control all the lights. It fits right in the necklace. It's fully concealed. I don't even need the screws. Check it out. It turns out I have to stop recording because I have to go get my hair cut. Wish me luck.
What we do here is go back.
Yeah.
Let's tape it up behind you.
I feel like a potato.
You just sit down. You look like a potato.
Well,
Not yet.
I honestly, I
Too
don't
late.
tell
It's too
science
late.
jokes very often, but I do periodically.
yeah. I mean, if a little hair gets like down on my shirt, it's fine. So
It would look like anime hair.
yo, wait, put it in the screen. Let's see. Let me see. Flip this.
Yeah, flip and jump.
Oh heck yeah!
I'm trying, Nick.
Young Harry Styles, right here. It's done.
It is done. Behold, our first tonsure!
Hey guys.
Let's go for it.
All right,
I've come this far.
here you are.
All right. You.
Yeah, it's pretty much gone. Now, it's been about a week or so since this got cut, so it's growing in really quickly. So I think I should really get this project done as soon as possible so I can get this avatar state rocking and rolling. Alright, we just need one more. We just need one more build montage and then we'll all be good. Let's get into it. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna be straight with you. A lot of this was meant to be just proof of concept. Right, I'm basically held together right now with rubber bands and duct tape all over the place. But I looked in the mirror and I'm kind of excited about the results. So you can see the necklace right here, right? I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in to this power pack. Check this out. Okay, Google, turn all the lights off. I mean, and that's just the blue setting. Okay, Google, enter the avatar state. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Isn't that kind of sick? I think that's kind of sick. Okay, Google, enter the avatar state. Okay, Google, exit the avatar state and turn on all the lights. Huh? Home automation at its finest. Oh, I couldn't have asked for a better trial run. Let's get this thing off. Hey, thanks for joining me on the Forsyth Creation channel today. I had a blast making the avatar suit for y'all. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I will catch you in the next video. See you guys later.